Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and tonight's tip comes from a viewer or a subscriber, and it irritates me a little bit. He called himself a newbie, and he gave me a really good tip. So I've got my rotation on this deal to the center. I'm going to go up to range, and I'm going to open the transformation docker. I'm going to go ahead and go to rotate, and it's going to open up the transform or the rotation docker. I'm going to go ahead and put 0 in there. I want 22 of these, so just type in 22 and then go 360 divided by 22. Bam. It put 22 copies. It actually put another copy there because you could see it. So you probably could have done 21 copies. Anyway, that's really fast and easy, and you could always, one thing nice about the transformation docker, you could back up here and go, well, let's try 30 of them. Let's put this back on 0. Type in 360 / which is the divide sign, 30. And it's going to put them equally spaced apart. Anyway, I appreciate his tip and hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for